Margazhi month 26th day, Tiruppavi Pasuram 26. மாலே மணிவண்ணா மார்கழி நீராடுவான் மேலையார் செய்வனகள் வேண்டுவனக் கேட்டியேல் ஞாலத்தை எல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன பாலன்ன வண்ணத்து உன் பாஞ்ச சன்னியமே பூல்வன சங்கங்கள் போய்ப்பாடு உடையனவே சாலப் பெரும் பறையே பல்லாண்டு இசைப்பாரே கோல விளக்கே கொடியே விதானமே ஆலின் இலையாய் அருளேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். So in this Pasuram, Andal is describing Kanna, who are emerald hued, Manivanna, Male, and she is telling him what all she wants for the Nonbu. Because now Krishna is telling her, yes, you have come all the way and you have been waiting all these days and you have been trying to wake me up. Now what do you want? So she says what all she wants. So she starts with Panchasayanam, that is the conch. She says, I want the conch. Not only this Panchasayanam, the other conches also, which make huge noise so that it gives signal for the people that we are all going for Nonbu. We are all going to the river Yamuna. Then I need Parai, that musical instrument. Pulvana Sangangal, Puipadu Udayanave, Chala Perum Paraye. So I need the conches, I need the drums, that is the Parai. They will sing Palland, that is, they will sing in praise of you. So let the people hear all this. Kola Vilakke, I need a lamp, ornamental lamp. Kodiye, I need a flag to hoist. You have a Garuda flag, I need that. Vidaname, I need a canopy so that everyone is protected from the snow. That because they are all going in the early morning. Alin ilayai. When Krishna says, how can I give all this now? Then she says, yes, you can. Because you are the one who put everything, the entire world in your stomach when there is a pralayam. And you are the one who lies on the small banyan leaf and you were floating. So you are capable of doing anything. So give all this what I wanted. So let us all sing in praise of you and you please hear it and bless us. Today's temple is Sri Adi Jagannatha Perumal temple, which is at Tirupullani. Tirupullani is 70 kilometers away from Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is in Tamil Nadu. This is one of 108 Divya Deshams. This is 44th Divya Desham located along the sea coast. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And Lord Vishnu is here as Jagannatha Perumal. He is the main deity. He is in sitting posture with Tayar on either sides. And this temple was built during 8th century by different rulers. Medieval Cholas, later Pandyas and Setupati kings of Ramnath. And this temple got the name Tirupullani. There are two versions for this. One is Sri Ramar met Pulla Maharishi under Peepal tree here. So this is Tirupullani. The other version is Ramar lies on the grass here. So that is another version why this place got the name Tirupullani. This place is connected with Ramayana. Dasaratha Maharaja visited this place and prayed for Putra Bhagyam. So he did Putra Yagam here and he prayed to Jagannatha Perumal for Putra Bhagyam. And after visited this temple, he got the 4 sons, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrukna. So the main deity here is Jagannatha Perumal, and Utsavar is Kalyana Jagannatha Perumal, and the Tayar is Padmasini Tayar. There is a separate Sannadhi for Padmasini Tayar in the Pradakshina path, and there is a Sannadhi for Andal in the Pradakshina path. This temple has a Rajagopuram which is 120 feet high. Tirumangai Alvar performed Mangalasasana on this temple. So he sang in praise of Jagannatha Perumal in his Pasuram. So this is Divya Desam. And this place is for doing Tarpanam, that is for paying homage to the Pitrus. There is a Pushkarani outside the temple which is called Chakra Tirtham, which has got very clear water. And Sri Rama visited this place after Sita was abducted by Ravana. He stayed here while Vanara army built Setu bridge, because they had to go to Sri Lanka and had to cross the ocean. So Vanara army stayed here and they constructed Setu bridge. So Rama stayed here during that time. So that is a speciality of this place. Then one more importance is the brother of Ravana, Vibhishana, he surrendered to Sri Rama. He left everything. He left his place, he left his materials, he left his wealth, he left his brother Ravana, and he came all along to surrender to Sri Rama. And Sri Rama also understood the goodness of Vibhishana and he accepted his Saranagati, and he accepted him and he crowned him as the king of Sri Lanka in this place. So this place is very important for the details of this place we can find in Ramayana. In this temple we find a Sannadhi in where Sri Rama lies on bed of sacred grass, that is Darbha Sayana Ramar. So he is lying on Darbha Pul, that is dry grass, which is very sacred. He was waiting for the sea god to respond to his request for a way to Sri Lanka. The sea god did not answer Rama immediately, so he waited and he lay down on the bed of grass. Then he showed his anger to the sea god. Then sea god realized his mistake and it helped. Sea god helped Rama. So this is the Sthala Purana of this temple. So here you find huge image of the Vigraham of Sri Rama lying on Darbha. And Lakshmana is in the form of Adisesha. And we can find the image of Vibhishana too here. And there is another Sannadhi where we find Rama as Pattabhiramar. Pattabhiramar is with Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman. And people who have the dosham, Naga dosham, they install the Naga made out of stones. So we can find, when you make Pradakshina, we find numerous the stone slabs in which you find the images of Nagas are installed in there around the temple. And here people who do not have children, they pray here, and the temple authorities make arrangement for making payasam, pal payasam. We have to pay for that, and pal payam is offered to the god. It's made in the temple and offered to God, and then they give it to us. We in turn distribute to the devotees. So that is followed here. So this is a very calm, serene, very old temple. We don't find any addition of modern structure here. So we can feel that serenity here.